Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to make Google Photos default on iPhone in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide how to make Google Photos default? Stay tuned because this video is for you. So, to do this, you need to download Google Photos app on your iPhone. It's in the App Store. After you do that, open settings on your iPhone and tap on your name. Tap on iCloud followed by Photos. Here you will see two options, optimize iPhone storage and download and keep original. If the first one is selected, you should select the download and keep originals before you turn off iCloud Photos. This will ensure higher resolution photos are saved to Google Photos in the next step. It might take some time for your iPhone to download original photos because, well, they have a bigger file size, and make sure you have enough space to store them. Once downloaded, turn off the toggle next to iCloud Photos to disable it. Now, any new photo from your iPhone will not sync to the iCloud. Open the Google Photos app and tap on the profile picture icon on the top, like this one. Choose Google Photo settings. After that, tap on Backup and Sync. Enable the toggle next to Backup and Sync. So turn it on. Once you enable Backup and Sync, you will see the option to choose the upload size, i.e. the quality at which you want to upload your photos and videos. You get two options, high quality, storage saver, and original, which is the bigger file. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.